Shoot threes off the dribble in their pick and roll game.
Wiggins, his jumper is pure. 16-15 Heat.
Now Wiggins had a career year from three. Shot 41%.
The pace is picking up. Miles Bridges from deep.
Well, this has been a struggle for Miami late. They have given up a lot of threes.
Where no offensive rebound and a step back for Wiggins.
Wiggins off to a great start.
Our live update presented by FanDuel. Point spread. Herro had it knocked away by Bridges. Bridges the steal to White. Ball fake on a three. He'll take the baseline. Kick it. James three. Off the rim. Tipping goes. Kalkbrenner with the cleanup.
Diabate is just keeping balls alive.
Nice look. On the road this season. Adebayo. One-on-one with Diabate. Active defender. Adebayo. Points it in. Nikola, 3 seconds. And a foul out front as Fontecchio is. Marquez. The handle. Nice dish. Wiggins couldn't finish. Slammed down and the follow by Ware.
Great cut by Wiggins out.
Ball beats Mitchell to the spot after the contact. His floater won't go. That tip-in does from Diabate.
That's Diabate's first shot attempt of the night.
Team went 31-16 with Diabate in the starting lineup. Herro penetrates, lost it, saves it. They wanted to travel. Hawkins nails the triple.
Hawkins into double figures.
And congratulations to his sister Gabriella, won a national championship at UCLA, then took 5th in the WNBA draft on the Chicago Sky. Nice move by Ball.
I watched that women's champ.
Out in Phoenix. National title for UCLA. Mitchell protects himself. Another one. Gets inside. Offensive rebound. And the bucket. Contested rebound for Ball. And it's been good.
He's 2 for 30.
Rounded out. It was halfway down for Davion Mitchell.
Yeah, you should give him a point and a half on that one.
Bridges off balance. Fakes it in. And the foul. Williams tosses it around the perimeter. Bridges can't answer. And it's rebounded by Wiggins.
0 for 10. 13th rebound for Diabate.
Fans are on their feet. Here at the high. Ball with a kick. Extra. Miller. Nails it from the outside.
It's his fourth made three. They're going to need a lot more of that going down the stretch, but they need to get stopped.
Charlotte now 1 of 11 from downtown in the fourth quarter. It's a 3-point game. 2:27 to go. Herro. Swing. Mitchell. Way off. Air ball caught by Ware. Shot clock down to 3. Herro fires. Tyler Herro. A certified bucket. 1-1 Wiggins.
3-point shooting. They've lived by it all year here in Charlotte. Haven't been able to do much here in the fourth quarter. 1 for 13.
They are 29% from downtown overall. Miami's at 43%. And Herro is fouled. White's got the board. Hornets up the floor. Up top, Bridges wanted Miller to shoot it. Instead, it's going to be Bridges. And it's Miller. Squared by Miller. Hornets are nobody there. Now he backs it out. Playing keeper away. 14 seconds left. Herro is fouled. It's Bridges who got him with 12. You're down by 3. White turnaround. For Herro, they'll get a runway here with 7 seconds left. Herro with 5. Herro rises up. Off the iron. Overtime. Ball. Nicely done by Mitchell.
Leap. and got caught just watching the ball, got beat on a cut. Now is not the time to relax. Heat back in the zone.
Hawkins has 8 assists. Ball puts it up. Across the rim. Special delivery from Ball.
I like that cut from the corner against the zone. Instead of just spotting up all the time, you can get behind the zone. Great pass by Ball. 9 assists for him.
Hornets up by 3. 2 minutes to go. And a foul called on White. Mitchell makes his move. Ball drive. Finishes. Once again with that left. 6 seconds left in overtime. Get it in. Herro. Oh, tough delivery. He buries it from the corner. It's a 3.
A lot of time still, and it's only a 2-point game.
What a game this has been. 125 to 123. Ball trying to get it ahead. Sion James stumbles into the table. Miami takes over. 9 seconds left. The jumper's no good. There's a foul. Tyler Herro is going to the line with 8. Miami takes the lead. They have scored the last 6 points. Gets it. 7 seconds. Ball to drive.